Artoonza.
In this easy tutorial, we'll learn how to draw a sunny-side-up egg on a plate, along with a fork and knife. Or as I like to call it, a yummy because I'm hungry right now. Drawing time. Let's have a lot of fun together.
Wow!
No. I'm not telling, but it's totally worth the wait. Give us a big thumbs up. Ready to splash some color? Let's color together. Yellow. Black. Pink. Color.
Aw, so cute.
Give us your like. This is much better. Actually, it's great. Green. Color. Black. Don't be shy, color high.
Wow!
Glitter time. Let's make it shine. Smash that like button now.
Aw, so cute.
A big kiss to everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun.